Hey y'all, Katie here. I just wanted to hop on and share this awesome kitchen gadget home find with you guys. So I absolutely love crock pot cooking. I cannot live without my crock pots. I'm a busy mom of two. I own a business. And so I rely very heavily on dump and go meals for our family. Recently, we're finding out about all these toxins and chemicals and cookware and things like that. And I found out that our crock pot inserts are no different than a lot of the cookware that's out there. So I was on the hunt for a safe alternative. I still wanted to be able to do crock pot meals, and I came across this crock pot and I absolutely love this one. So I actually just made chicken thighs for dinner. They just finished, and I'm just going to show you inside here. So it has this stainless steel insert, which is what makes it a non-toxic cooking option. I'm trying to switch everything in our kitchen that we cook on to stainless steel. So it has these kind of rubber grip handles on here, so there's no heat that is absorbed to the handle, so you're able to just pick these up. So it literally just sits right in here. I sprayed a little bit of non-stick cooking spray in there. It's been relatively easy to clean out. Just soak it for a minute in some soap, scrub it out, and poof, you're good to go. It has tons of other settings that I've utilized. I've also used the rice cook, the roast, and the bake, but primarily I do use the slow cook setting. Super easy to use digital display here, and comes with a very easy to read instruction manual to show you how to use all the other cooking settings. But anyways, if you are looking for a non-toxic sort of all-in-one cooking situation for your kitchen, definitely check this out.